It's hard out here for Huawei. The Chinese company is responsible for many great phones, but it's rarely given its due credit. Whether or not the Mate 10 changes this can't be predicted, but Huawei has done its part. The Mate 10 is a standout phone, one that's several $100s cheaper than competition from Samsung, Google and Apple, and even shaves down the price of Huawei's own super-powered Mate 10 Pro. The phone is powered by Huawei's estate-made Kirin 970 processor, which offers grunt in line from what you'd get from Qualcomm's premium Snapdragon 835 chip. Its beautiful 5.9-inch screen pops thanks to a 2560 x 1440 pixel resolution in the phone's slim bezels. Finally, those dual cameras shoot great pictures. See more below. It's got its flaws, namely Huawei's imperfect EMUI software that rides on top of Android 8.0 Oreo. Plus, the camera, while impressive, falls a little shy of the Pixel 2 and new iPhone 8 range. But that's much easier to forgive when you factor in price. The Mate 10 retails for $899 in Australia, which converts to roughly $685 in the US and £520. The good Huawei's Mate 10 gives you performance and cameras comparable to Samsung's Galaxy Note 8 and Google's Pixel XL2, but for several $100 less. It also has a headphone jack. The phone's battery doesn't last as long as the Mate 10 Pro despite being the same size. Huawei's Android software could be smoother and the phone isn't getting an official release in the US or UK. The bottom line, the Huawei Mate the 10th may be hard for you to get your hands on, but it's worth the effort if you want a big screen phone and don't quite have the budget for a Galaxy Note, iPhone Plus or Pixel 2.